we're going to go through a couple methods that you can use to fire up your IPT pellet grill.
Okay, the first method of igniting the grill is simply to set the cook control switch into the smoke position or any other setting. Now that we set the cook control in the smoke mode, the grill will go through an ignition sequence in which the draft fan turns on, the igniter turns on, the fuel auger will turn on and deliver fuel continuously for 1 minute 20 seconds. The grill temperature is displayed along with 3 flashing dots signifying that the igniter on. The igniter will turn off after 4 minutes. Once the igniter turns off, if the cook control switch is set into the smoke position as it is here, the grill will operate in the smoke mode. If the cook control switch is a temperature setting, the grill will operate in that cook control setting. If this is the first time you've used a grill or run out of pellets during cooking, you may need to cycle the previous steps 2 to 3 times depending on if you see smoke or not. Normally after the second time I wait a few minutes. If I don't see any smoke, I will cycle it one more time.
Okay, here's another method that you can use to start the grill up. Since I just cleaned it and I have everything out, I'm just going to show you. You're going to add about maybe half a cup of pellets into the fire pot. Just enough to cover the igniter. Then we're going to go switch the unit to smoke mode. And as you hear the motor and the fan come on, and actually what this mode's going to do is for 4 minutes the igniter is going to stay lit, and you hear the auger feeding. It's going to feed pellets in this first round for about a minute, since we just cooked something the other day. Now I'm just going to kind of leave it running here, but normally what I would normally do is start piecing all of it back together as soon as I put the pellets in. But in this instance, I'm going to kind of have a little demo of seeing the open flame for you. Now I'm just going to stay on for probably about another 3 minutes, since it's been about a minute. You see it lights up pretty darn fast. Okay, now that we have flame, we're actually going to put the heat shield back on. And before it gets too hot, so here we put this right over. Voila, grill's ready to go. And we'll just shut it, let it get back up to temperature, so we'll come back in a few minutes.